I feel like one of my happiest days on campus was when I went over to Ali's lab and she gave me the bottle of wastewater and I walked back. I was like, I can't believe I'm smiling so brightly carrying back a bucket of wastewater from Stanford's campus. We learned in the past couple of years, wastewater-based epidemiology has been a great way to track infectious diseases at a population level. My lab really focuses on nanophotonics, so developing ways to control light at the nano and molecular scale to detect molecules. And Ali has a ton of field expertise and has developed all of the formative and foundational methods for detecting certain viruses in wastewater.
We realized, well, this would be something good that like a postdoc or a student could work on, try to address some of the perceived challenges of sensing bacteria in wastewater to sort of get to the point where this idealized end product, which is you have a magic light that you can shine on wastewater and just sense what's present.
And essentially, as the wastewater is flowing over the sample, we have a substrate that applies a DC electric field. It's essentially a battery. And we design the specific pulse of this electric field in such a way where those bacteria get attracted to the surface. What we can do is scan a laser over the surface. That laser has a single wavelength, but when the laser hits a cell, it basically changes its wavelength or it changes its color. And the color that we observe is an indication of which cell is there. And what we've done is, over the last handful of years, train machine learning models that allow us to identify that fingerprint or that color of cells.
I remember the time when I had my first chip ready and then put in the bacteria wastewater samples, and under the microscope for the first time, like I see the bacteria like moving so fast, get accumulated at the electrode, and we get like huge enhanced signals of light. And me and my two undergrad students looking at the microscope, we are like seriously just cheering and like screaming like we finally succeeded. That was a very joyful moment.
It's only through this careful work to like slowly address these challenges and overcome them that we will get to the point where we actually can shine a light on wastewater and find pathogens and then quickly summarize those for public health so that those results can be actionable for protecting human health.